Ashaba, what is up guys, Pablo's here. And today we're going to be trying these lemon pepper bone-in and fries. And we're going to be rating it out of 10 Dirty Birds. But before we try, I'm going to be starting out with a prayer. Bless us, O Lord, and these thy gifts from which are about to receive. And then God you for Christ the Lord. Amen. Let's try.
Sure, we got the ranch and the lemon pepper.
Yeah.
It's hot, huh?
Yeah, it's hot.
What do you rate it, Pablos?
10 out of 10.
Yes, sir. You know where to get your wings from, huh, Pablos?
Dirty Bird.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Pablos.
Thank you.